Welcome to Carl's Comic Cards and Collectibles. What's going on, guys? Today we're doing a little blaster action of some Marvel Platinum. It's a pretty awesome set. Got some cool numbered parallels and comic cover inserts. Kind of just like that Platinum Masterpiece set. Actually, I think that's probably where they came up with all the ideas, but I don't know if they have this cool teal wave numbered parallel in the Masterpiece set, but they do have the blue tracks. Not sure about the green. They got a green crackle, but anyway, yeah, they're kind of like this similar cards. They got the platinum finish, and kind of just like the Topps Marvel Chrome, but let's get into these packs and see what we can get here. Oh man, we got Blastar. He's blasting. Oh, we got something pretty cool. Storm. Whoa. What is this called here? That is a Blue Surge. Oh man, that's pretty awesome. I think that's the Blaster exclusive on this set, the Blue Surge. And then we have a red rainbow here. Red rainbow of Hela. And then we got Photon. And Dazzler. Oh, that's kind of cool. Very cool. We'll throw Storm out there on that Blue Surge. Looks kind of cool. All right, next pack. There's only 4 packs in here, so should be pretty quick. Quick rip. Looks like we got Beta Ray Bill. And another Blue Surge of Luke Cage. Pretty awesome. Looks like a blue tracks at Taskmaster. Yeah, I think that one's numbered. Oh, it is. It's a $4.99 Taskmaster. Cool on the blue tracks. And we got Spot. Looks like he's trying to beat up Spider-Man. Oh, and then we got Onslaught. Man, that was pretty cool. We got our first numbered card here. Numbered card out of the box. We'll throw that up there. Taskmaster. Put that next to Scarlet Witch on the blue tracks there. That's kind of cool. We got 2 packs left. 2 packs left. Just want to say thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. The Marvel Platinum here. We got Grandmaster. And we got Thor. Oh man, we got Abomination on the blue wave. Oh. Yeah, Blue Surge. Sorry, Blue Surge. And we got a Professor X. Looks like on a cover variant. That's pretty cool. Awesome. Cover variant of Professor X. And Loki. Man, that looks like some old comic art right there. That's pretty cool. All right. I mean, you get one of those Blue Surges in every pack. I didn't know that. I thought maybe it was just one in every box. That's kind of cool. I like that. It's a cool little subset to chase. All right, we got Crossbones. And another blue wave. Oh, looks like some Magneto on a... I don't think that's a cover variant. No, that's just a Blue Surge. I keep calling it a blue wave. That's hilarious. All right, Storm. Oh, nice. We got a Platinum Duos Spider-Man, Miss Marvel. That's pretty awesome. That's cool. And Baron Zemo to close it out with a Baron Zemo. So... quick little blaster here. Not too bad. I didn't realize they did these Blue Surge parallels in each pack. That is very cool. I've gotten one hobby box before this and thought it was very awesome. So was able to find a blaster box and figured why not. But anyway, yeah, we got the numbered blue tracks of Taskmaster, $4.99, and about 4 of these blue Surge cards, which are pretty. I think they're pretty cool. Cool little parallel set to chase if you're into that. But yeah, if you'd like this kind of content, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And always, keep collecting.